Hey everyone, welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network, your ultimate destination for all things aircraft maintenance. If you're an aircraft technician looking to advance your career, today's video is just for you. To work on an aircraft, you need at least one of the following licenses or their equivalent. National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies is Aircraft Electronics Technician and General Radio Telephone Operator License, GROL, for avionics technicians, or the Airframe and Power Plant, A&P, license for airframe power plant mechanics. Today we're diving into the 4 National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, NCATT, certifications that can take your skills and career to the next level. Let's get started. The National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, or NCATT, offers several certifications that are highly respected in the aviation industry. These certifications validate your skills and knowledge, making you a more competitive candidate for jobs. In 2014, ASTM International absorbed the Aviation Technician certification products that the National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies developed with multiple Advanced Technological Education (ATE) project grants. ASTM NCATT certifications are an industry-defined mechanism to identify professionals who demonstrate their knowledge through testing and commit themselves to the aerospace industry. Associations and professionals across every industry use these certifications to recognize qualified and competent individuals. The ASTM NCATT certification is administered by Spacetech Partners, Inc. Today, we'll be discussing 4 key NCATT certifications: Aircraft Electronics Technician, Foreign Object Elimination, Aerospace Aircraft Assembly, and Unmanned Aircraft System Maintenance. Number 1. Aircraft Electronics Technician, AET. This certification is perfect for technicians specializing in aircraft electronics and avionics systems. The AET certification covers a wide range of topics, including basic electronics, wiring, avionics systems, and troubleshooting. The exam consists of 90 questions. The passing score is 73%. With the AET certification, you'll have the credentials to work on complex electronic systems in modern aircraft, making you a vital asset to any aviation maintenance team. Note, candidate must successfully pass the AET before being eligible to take any or all of the endorsements, which are Aircraft Electronics Installation, AEIT, Autonomous Navigation Systems, ANS, Dependent Navigation Systems, DNS, Onboard Communications and Safety Systems, OCS, and Radio Communication Systems, RCS. Number 2. Foreign Object Elimination, FOE. This certification focuses on the prevention and elimination of foreign object damage, which is critical to maintaining the safety and integrity of aircraft. The FOE exam has 80 questions. The passing score is 83%. The FOE certification ensures that you understand best practices for preventing foreign object damage, which can save time, money, and most importantly, lives. Number 3. Aerospace Aircraft Assembly, or AAA. This certification is ideal for technicians involved in the assembly of aircraft. It covers essential skills and knowledge required for assembling aircraft components and systems. The AAA exam consists of 100 questions, and the pass mark is 70%. With the ADA certification, you'll be equipped to ensure that aircraft are built to the highest standards, contributing to the overall safety and reliability of the aviation industry. Number 4. Unmanned Aircraft System, UAS Maintenance. As unmanned aircraft systems become more prevalent, this certification is becoming increasingly valuable. It covers maintenance, inspection, and repair of UAS, ensuring they operate safely and efficiently. The UAS maintenance exam has 150 questions. The passing score is 70%. This certification is currently under review. UAS maintenance certification opens up opportunities in the rapidly growing field of unmanned aviation, making you a versatile and in-demand technician. Recertification. As of January 1, 2022, all ASTM NCATT certifications have a 5-year renewal. To read more about this new policy, please go to their website. These 4 NCATT certifications, AET, FOE, AAA, and UAS maintenance, can significantly enhance your skills and career prospects in the aviation industry. Each certification provides you with specialized knowledge and credentials that employers highly value. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Let us know in the comments which NCATT certification you're most interested in pursuing. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies.